TGO Traders, Wiz here with your Thursday market SITREP. Looks like an absolute bloodbath in the market today, but not if you're a member of one of Top Gun Options trading services. For example, here's the primary trade alert model portfolio. It's up about $700 today as the Dow's off over 200 points. The SPOOs are down over 20. We got a lot of bright greens, we got some grays, and we got some pinks. And one of our bright greens is a hedge on the SDS. That's the ProShares Ultra Short S&P 500. So as the market goes down, this goes up. This trade is currently up about 150%. That is awesome. On a day like today, when your neighbor is getting absolutely shellacked, if you're in the Top Gun Options trading services, you got a smile on your face. This is the way you need to be trading, folks. You always have to have one eye towards the exit, one eye on the door, especially in these incredible, market conditions, right? We had some really bad economic data come out today. The Philly Fed dropped the most in 9 months, the lowest drop out of the Philly Fed in 9 months. Had some relatively good news on weekly unemployment claims, but like I said, Philly Fed fell out of bed. The Empire State Manufacturing Index imploded. Cap utilization rate, industrial production, you name it, bad news. But of course, the National Association of Home Builders and their Unicorn Index came in better than expected, but they're completely disconnected from reality. So it seems, folks, that the market is starting to get out of Bizarro Market Mentality. It seems that bad news is once again, in fact, turning into bad news. So we have a lot of things weighing on the market today. Yes, Cisco and Walmart earnings, but like we talked about yesterday in yesterday's SITREP with the perfect storm coming in September, we have the Fed meeting, we have a debt ceiling battle, and we have a budget battle coming up. And also, by the way, China and Japan, the largest foreign holders of U.S. Treasuries. Obviously, the Fed is the largest holder of our Treasuries domestically because we can buy our own debt, right? You can do that too, right? You can buy your own debt. Of course you can. But China's our banker, right? They're dumping U.S. Treasuries as well. That's not a good sign when your banker starts dumping your debt, your Treasuries. So not a good day in the market, like I said. Excuse me, but if you're a Top Gun Options trader, there you go. We're up nearly $900 in our primary trade alert model portfolio as the market implodes. So I'm having a good day. I have a smile on my face because I know I can sleep well at night because of whether it's triple-digit rises, triple-digit gains, we want to be consistent. Might not make the most money, but we're going to make money consistently in our model portfolios, and that's the mission objective here, is on days like today not to be freaking out at all, just sitting back, eating some popcorn and hanging out. So going to be interesting next couple of days and into obviously September and October, where we're going to just see an absolute increase in volatility. We have a bullish double vertical on the VIX in our primary live trade brief model portfolio that's up 600% today. When the VIX was up about 11% today, that trade was up 600%, a bullish double vertical on the VIX. So again, folks, if you're feeling vertigo from the whipsaws in this market, it's the ups, the downs, the sideways, come check out what we're doing here at Top Gun Options. Hover over services, go right down to alerts / live trade brief, or you can just type in topgunoptions.com/TA-LTB and give us a test flight for a couple weeks and see how we're doing this, see how we're trading in this market, and just take a 2-week test flight into our services, either primary trade alerts and live trade briefs, which I just showed you one of our portfolios, or intermediate and advanced for folks who are a little more savvy with options, or just about what every Top Gun Options trader does when they came on board. They check out all of our services, all of our skill-based trading services. I strongly recommend you do it because the data aren't going to get any better, and if you're not ready for it, folks, it's going to hurt. It's going to leave a mark on your portfolio. Americans hold 3 major assets: a home, a car, and some sort of investment portfolio. And we only insure 2 out of those 3. And you can guess which one many Americans don't insure. But we do here at Top Gun Options. All right, folks, got to run. Got a live trading session here in a little bit. Happy hunting. Make sure you hedge. And I'll be back with Friday's market wrap-up over at Wealth Creation Investing tomorrow. We'll see you.